salad form. I have shared many recipes of salads with the fruits because I find it more appetizing. And this recipe I stumbled upon. It's a recipe of famous chef Kirtida Phadke, and I really loved it. I stumbled upon her blog and got hold of this recipe, and I made it, and it was truly delicious. It is, you can say, full of flavors, rich in antioxidants, weight loss friendly, and full of immunity booster ingredients. So why are we waiting? Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dania. Let's begin with the super delicious watermelon mudki salad. So for the delicious watermelon, moth bean or sprouted salad, I am going to first prepare the dressing. So for that I am taking the mint leaves, yes, fresh leaves of mint, and some basil leaves. These basil leaves I am growing in my windowsill, and I have taken that and I am just stirring them so that the oil comes out from them and it gives a beautiful flavor. Now I am adding some honey into it. This is optional. If you want to add it, otherwise no need to add. Add some roasted cumin powder, some red chili flakes, some salt goes into it, and this dressing you can prepare beforehand because it will add more flavor if you make and keep it inside your fridge. This recipe has to be had very chilled, then only it tastes damn good. So here I am adding some lemon juice so that it's easier to muddle up. Yes, I am going to just crush the leaves so that they take the juices comes out from the leaves and they get mixed up and gives a beautiful flavor. This salad, remember, you should have it chilled. So even the moth beans which you are going to use, that has to be chilled. The watermelon, that has to be chilled. So this is a lovely cooling type of recipe. That is, your salad is a cooling salad. Here I am muddling it up. Just see, doesn't it look gorgeous? And now I have taken a big bowl because I need to mix it up. And here I am dropping some watermelon. I have removed almost all the seeds, and some of them I love eating the watermelon black seeds. And these are the sprouted moth beans I am adding. I have just blanched them in hot water, and this goes inside it. You know, moth bean is very good for health, and you know the sprouts decreases the carb portion of it. Some roasted peanuts goes into it. Yes, that will give a lovely crunch to it. And now comes the turn of adding the dressing. Yes, delicious flavorful dressing I'm going to drop inside the salad bowl. Looks so lovely color, red, white, green, awesome. It looks so delicious. And I'm going to mix my salad with my fingers because you know nothing can work better than the fingers. If you want, you can use the thong or the fork, but I prefer using the fingers because then it gets mixed up properly. And now comes the tasting time. This portion goes inside my mouth. I am just loving it. I can't tell you the flavor. It's too delicious, and I tell you, you should go and make this salad. It's really delicious, really flavorful, and the sweetness of the watermelon is getting inside my mouth. I'm serving on a plate. My camera has left the focus. I didn't realize it's focusing on the side thing. That is, it's a bad element of photography, you can say, but doesn't matter. I'm not a professional photographer. And here, doesn't it look gorgeous? So dropping some mint leaves, and you can enjoy this lovely beautiful salad. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make this delicious watermelon moth bean sprout salad. But don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. And don't forget to have this salad cold. Yes, make it and have it cold. Thank you.